Okay, bro, let's practice English speaking right now together with this vlog. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, it is currently 1 p.m. It's afternoon in the middle of the day, and I've been having classes right now. So I'm in a college campus, and I decided, bro, that I'm sick of having classes. I am tired. I can't take it anymore because it's finally the best weather possible. It's spring, it's so beautiful, and just be sitting there in that boring classroom, listening a teacher that's, I don't know, just so boring. So I decided just to escape, start filming this vlog to talk to you, and we're gonna go right now. We're gonna get some piece of pizza in my what's it called? University dining room. That's my university. That's our pyramid right there. So, and then after having a piece of pizza, a little bit of break, I wanna go for a walk around the Moscow in the center. So we're gonna have fun today, bro, and practice English together, because my goal is practice speaking and to describe everything I'm doing, everything I see. Yeah, I'm sorry, by the way, I promised y'all that I'm gonna be wearing Brazilian t-shirt. I am not, again, because I wasn't actually, I didn't expect me to make this vlog today. It's spontaneously, all right? Check it out, bro, check it out right there. Moscow downtown, I missed you so much. Let's go to the dining room, bro. Open the door. All right, I took a seat in the dining room, just like that. Yeah. It's a cool way of filming, by the way. I got just a piece of pizza with a pepperoni and cheese. It's so hot. And I got just hot water, cause I don't know, I don't like tea and napkins. Yeah, bro, I don't know. I prefer just drink hot water or regular water rather than be drinking coffee or tea. Maybe that's weird, but it is what it is. All right, and let's have a really quick lunch, and then go for a walk and practice English in real life in Moscow. By the way, have you seen my dining room? Like, yo, check it out. Just like that. People are eating. Nice. We can probably see a ghost somewhere there in the night, or a killer. By the way, 2 really cool actions to learn and important. Take a bite of piece of pizza, like take a bite, and take a sip. Take a sip of a cup of water. Yeah, I took a sip and I took a bite. Yo, bro, why that looks like in New York? Do you remember like those red buildings in New York from a Spider-Man movie? That looks exactly like that neighborhood. All right, but we still got Christmas, even though that's March and it's almost summer, bro. I promise y'all, Spider-Man is somewhere there. Like, you need. Look at that. Look at that street. We got a lot of Russian grandmas be sitting here on the bench. Look at that. And a nice building, by the way. Little puddles. Because I suppose, yeah, it used to be snow right here. A pile of snow. But it's melting, right? You see? The snow is melting and it's turning to be a water. And then it's gonna be evaporated. Evaporation. Wow, I'm gonna go to that street a little bit later, but currently my goal is to go over there, down the street. By the way, that's probably the most luxurious hotel in Moscow. right in the red square, like in the center. Luxurious with the most expensive prices. But I'm not sure about that. Where should I go? Bro, getting lost kinda. Alright. Okay. Yeah, the weather is so good, bro. The sun is shining finally. And right now, you feel what I'm saying? I see a McDonald's right here, so I wanna go buy a milkshake or something like that. I don't know, milkshake is even good. I think it's gonna be tasty, alright? And then we're gonna go to that park and take a seat on a bench and talk a little bit, speak, practice English about life. Check it out, this Russian McDonald's. It was renamed, like right now it has a different name, but inside and the menu and the ingredients are the same as they used to be. Look, that's a classic American McDonald's with American music, with American people. Okay, maybe not American, but I want to pick the station, this one. And we're gonna practice English right now with making an order to go. I want to take it with me. Please choose one, bag or no bag. No bag, please. I don't need your bag. And new items, specials. I gotta have some drinks. Drink section, hot drink, cold drink. I need cold beverage and shakes. Exactly, bro. Vanilla shake. How much is it gonna cost? It's gonna be vanilla milkshake, small, medium. I suppose I need small. Yeah, small is gonna be enough. Or medium. Let's have medium, bro. Medium. We're gonna add to order. And complete order. Proceed to checkout, because right now I wanna pay. Yes, sir. Yes, sirski, I got my check, and right now I need to find the place where to take my order. Look at that. That's exactly McDonald's. That's the same, yo. My number is 627. 627. I suppose it's not gonna take much time to create a milkshake. Probably. Yeah, we got a lot of stuff, like counter with the desserts, like with the bakery and stuff, with the cakes. And right there we got a kitchen. And right there we got a kitchen as well. Yes, sirski. Where's my milkshake, bro? It's a good though. It's a good milkshake, bro. It's like a milk that has been shaked. I don't know, they're just shaking the milk and we got milkshake. I finally found a bench to have a seat. And as you can see, we still have snow, a lot of snow, and trees without any green leaves. There is no greenery yet, but it's gonna be a lot soon. As soon as like all snow will get melted and the temperature will rise. And it's already getting hot, honestly. Like, I think I would better not to wear this down jacket. Like, the funny moment is that I was wearing the same jacket when I was -20, -25 in Moscow. And today it's +8, +10 maybe Celsius. And I'm still been wearing this. So like it's ultimate dress for any season in life. But I suppose it was a mistake to put it on today because I feel kind of hot. Yeah, but I'm so happy that, that I skipped class today. My friend also skipped, and the other one went there. He's been sitting there, and I decided that it's boring, it's kind of lame. It's better to enjoy the sun and get sun lights right there and breathe, bro, and think about life. Drinking this milkshake. It's called a street light. By the way, beautiful design of this street lights. Yeah, alright. I need to go. I'm tired of sitting. Let's go. I stood up from this bench, and right now my destination is go right there. First thing first, look at that first memorial. It's dedicated to some religion, Christian things. And the second memorial is dedicated to animals, to horses, because we love horses, I guess, in Russia. And snow. Horses and snow. Four of them. Wow. That's spectacular. That's amazing. Used to be a fountain in the summer. I remember I was here in the summer. It used to be a fountain. It's gonna be amazing though. Red square over there. Bro, I'm still drinking it. Oh, and the third memorial, bro, also dedicated to animals. We got a dog and egret, right? Egret and dog, or a wolf. What are they doing? And a pot. Bro, I hope they're not smoking weed right there using this pot. Okay. There's people chilling on the benches. And this stairs is leading towards a more inside underground more. And the beautiful park, so wide. It's a wide space. Fire and tall, big gates, black with a golden. What is that? Eagles on the top, but with two hats. Okay. Fifth memorial. We got also horse and a man on the top of horse. I told you, bro, we love horses. Wow, that's so beautiful. Taking a photo. Probably tourists. Let's go there. It's a cobblestone, by the way, bro. It's called a cobblestone. The material was the ground is made from. Look at that beautiful icon. Icon of Jesus Christ. Right there. Whoa, bro, it's hot. Summer. A stroller with a kid inside. And look at that, a lot of officers, and they've been checking some suspicious people in order to check their documents. Maybe somebody's gonna get deported right now. Who knows? She's dancing for the TikTok. They're making an interview right there. So a lot of creativity is going on here. And people just taking the photos. With a selfie stick. You see that selfie stick right there? Okay. And memorial number 6. Look at that. 2 people. One is outstretched his arm in the right side of his shoulder. And he's talking to the second one. By the way, they got a curly haircut, curly hair, curly beard. He got a shield in his left hand. And they're wearing some kind of weird, what is the curtain on them? I don't know. General weird dress. Another TikTokers. Look at that. Let's check that out, their dance. Amazing. Today I'm gonna play football as well, bro. I'm so excited to go there. And I guess right now I'm gonna just go back to my dormitory room. Spend several hours there just working. It's so hot. Honestly, I can't, bro. I wanna take it off. Okay, it was a good walking. Yo, bro, it's already evening, and now we've been playing football. And that football field, look at that. And even though like here, we got some snow behind us, but the whole like football field is perfectly clean. It's perfectly clean for playing football. That's the conditions of playing football in Russia. Just green grass and snow, just wild forest, it's dark around the field. I have just finished playing football. Look at that pitch. I'm gonna show it from the top. And just forest around. There's gonna be lifts so soon. Yeah, bro, I hope you had a good practice. I hope you enjoyed it and love you all so much, guys. Love you, thank you. See you though, bye bye.